Lauren, you're the love of my life and my best friend. There's no doubt in my mind that you're the person I belong with for the rest of my life. I've never met someone who makes me feel so safe and so loved. I feel a level of comfort with you that I've never felt with anyone else before. You're the one person I feel I can be my truest, most annoying self around. I wake up joyful every day knowing that it's another day we get to spend together. I promise to be your partner through all things in this life. I promise to be there with you through the happiest moments, all the saddest moments, and all the toughest moments that may come our way. At times, I may seem like your harshest critic, but I promise that I will always be your strongest supporter. I will have your back through anything you do for as long as we're together. Thank you for always being someone I can talk to about anything, and for being someone who truly listens, even if I may start rambling a little. Thank you for supporting me in everything I do, for always being honest with me and giving me a well-needed kick in the butt every once in a while. Thank you for being so patient with me. I know today is going to be the perfect day because I know how much love you have put into planning it. I'm so excited to officially call you my wife. I can't wait for you to see today how loved you are, not only by me, but by all of our friends and family. I know this is going to be the greatest day of my life, and that is all because of you. I love you.
So sweet. Daniel, people often like to talk about their I fell in love moment. I don't know if I'd necessarily say that I fell in love with you. Rather, I walked into love with you by my side, and together we chose to take every step along the way over the last 8 years. I do believe in fate and destiny, but I also believe that we are fated to do the things that we would choose anyway. That being said, my promise for the future is to always choose you. I believe that the key to a good marriage is to keep choosing your partner. So I promise I will choose you over and over, without pause, without a doubt, and in a heartbeat. Why did I choose you? I can explain my reason why in the form of a thank you. Thank you for showing me patience, for meeting my insecurities with kindness. On hard days, thank you for looking into my tired eyes and offering me a place to rest, for holding me when life gets too heavy. Thank you for always supporting me, for hearing me, and for seeing me. Thank you for loving me and teaching me how to love and be kind to myself too. My hope for the day is to be fully present. We have been warned that today will fly by, so let's choose to stay by each other's sides and make sure we take moments throughout the day to soak it all in. We are not the host today, we are the guests of honor. Today is about celebrating us and our love for one another, so let's do just that. Love always, Lauren. Hi.
Hey. You look amazing.
Thanks. Do you like it?
Yeah,
Oh,
beautiful.
here we are.
Yeah. I wasn't nervous until just now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What's the mic?
don't touch that.
And Lauren and Dan's story is kind of like that. They first met when they were 10 years old in grade 5 at Highview Middle School. Lauren had a huge crush on Dan even then. They continued on through school together, through high school and even into university, but it wasn't until their last year at university that they really connected.
Lauren, I will be your partner in adventure, your accomplice in scheming, your comfort in disappointment, your strength in times of need, and your partner in all things for all of the days of my life.
Daniel, I promise to choose you again and again. At the start and end of every day, no matter the season, no matter the year, I choose you to struggle and succeed with, to fight and make up with, to love and grow old with. I choose you to always be by my side. You are my best friend, and I promise to love you unconditionally.